Hi. In this short video, I wanted to talk about the great platform opportunity and whether India will grab this opportunity in the next decade. Now, even prior to COVID, uh, a lot of people were talking about the platform revolution. And for those people who were believers in the platform revolution, I think the COVID event has made them believe that this platform revolution will accelerate even more. There are some people who are very concerned about items like privacy and so on and so forth, and they do not necessarily believe that the world will become more digital. But I think increasingly that fraction is somewhat becoming less. And if the platform builders are able to solve privacy concerns, then I think there is little doubt that the great platform opportunity will actually happen. So for India, if they wanted to, they could set a big, hairy, audacious goal saying that in 2030, Indian platform companies' market cap will exceed $1 trillion. Now, to put this a little bit in perspective, Reliance Industries has come very close to a 1 trillion rupee market cap today. Now, if the dollar is 100 rupees to the dollar by 2030, then we are talking about 100 companies of the size of Reliance to reach this 1 trillion market cap goal. Now, it may be five companies who are 20 times the size of Reliance or whatever, but I just wanted to say that it is a very large, ambitious goal, and it cannot be met if the Indian platform companies just think about India and not think global. So let's take an example of learnings from telecom from India, which to some extent is the shining example of a platform that India has built. So the first thing that emerges from that is that the government, instead of spending money trying to solve a problem, can make money by enabling platforms. So for instance, imagine in telecom, if India had not invited private companies to get licenses and build telecom for them. Instead, they had pumped in money into MTNL and BSNL. Then you would probably have a huge amount of investment that the government would have had to make. And then it would now be thinking of disinvestment, and probably a lot of the existing telecom infrastructure would not have been built. Okay. The other thing is that instead of political allegations flying back and forth, a lot of national energy being wasted on things like the 2G scam, if there was a national consensus that this was important for India, and everyone, that is the bureaucrats, the regulators, the judiciary, the politicians, all of them work together to actually make platforms happen in India, global platforms, then it would be awesome. So the other thing is that even in telecom, the Indian telecom companies are not global. So they do a good job domestically, but there's still a long way to go. We need to think global, and we need to attract platform builders. So things like retroactive tax, this AGR issue, and so on and so forth, are issues that should not detract platform builders from coming. That is not to say that the annual gross revenue should not have been paid by the telecom companies, but the decisions could have come much, much sooner, and the companies could have then adapted their business models and not have to wait for so long. So just items like this, whatever are negative for platform builders, those should be eliminated. And what are positive for platform builders, that should be worked on. So who is this video for? The video is for media, so that there is a debate on whether there is a great platform opportunity, whether India can set a BHAG, and will India grab this opportunity, which would also be through influencers on social media and people like you and me who are on WhatsApp. It's for associations like the MSME Association, but other associations as well, who can kind of benefit from platforms. Similarly, large companies, foreign and domestic, and the government of India. So to answer the question that I posed at the beginning, that will India grab the big platform opportunity or the great platform opportunity? And I would like to end by saying it's pretty much up in the air, and I'm not at all sure that India will grab this opportunity, but I hope it will. Thank you.